Forecast with meteorologist Brian Ramsey.
Well, good morning out there, everybody. A look from the tower camera. Just look at the sky. Obviously very cloudy at this hour. We're going to keep that cloud cover with us through much of the day today. A look at your satellite radar. We got a disturbance right off the coast. That disturbance was in South Texas yesterday and brought a bunch of rain towards Louisiana, and that's why we were very wet yesterday, very wet overnight, and why we're wet this morning as it kind of lingers over here. There is a cold front to our north. That's not really going to make us much colder, but it will bring us some north winds, which will help clear out that rain tonight and the cloud cover. But for now, we're still going to continue to see some lingering rain out there for the next several hours. Much of that wet weather is beginning to exit the area, but we still have some scattered showers across the area that look to stick around for the next several hours. But again, that will clear out coming soon. Now look at the rainfall totals that we've seen in the last 24 hours. Most of you have seen about 1/4 to 1/2 an inch of rain, which is a pretty decent amount. It's not an inch of rain, but some areas to the north and to the southeast have gotten closer to an inch. Looks like 3/4 of an inch of rain down near Thibodaux and New Orleans, maybe Hammond as well. But most of you, that's probably all you're going to see is what you've already seen, because the rest of the rain that we're going to see this morning is going to be very, very light, pretty quick. By 9 o'clock, still seeing a couple scattered showers, but by noon, they're pretty much out of the area. But we're going to keep that cloud cover with us for much of the afternoon. Once we get into the evening, we will see some clearing in the clouds. You'll notice once we get to 7, 8, 9, that's when those north winds from that cold front up north begin to kick in and will clear some of those clouds for us overnight. So the temperatures right now much warmer than yesterday because of the cloud cover and rain. We're at 47 degrees this morning right now in Baton Rouge. As we go ahead and take a look at the temperatures for the next several hours, we're still going to remain in the 40s all the way through 9 o'clock. But once we get to lunchtime, that's when we warm into the mid-50s, and that's also when the rain begins to stop. We'll warm up to 59 today, which is what we hit yesterday, so temperatures looking to be very similar to yesterday. But tonight, we're going to clear into the 30s, and that's because clear skies will allow further cooling in the air compared to what we saw this morning with all the cloudy conditions. We won't freeze tonight, but tomorrow we will warm back into the 50s, and we repeat the process again. Could freeze, though, Wednesday night. A look at your day planner for today. Got some clearing showers this morning, and then we're just cloudy and mild as we go through the rest of the morning and into the afternoon. Those temperatures topping off around 59 degrees, and then we will see those clearing clouds around 8 to 10 o'clock tonight and in the overnight hours. For the next 7 days, those temperatures remaining pretty much below or at average, but we could finally get a little warmer once we get into next week. So we'll look at that 7-day forecast. We got a high of 59 today, 54 tomorrow, could freeze again Wednesday night, and maybe a few more freezes Friday and Saturday night. Those temperatures staying in the 50s all the way through Saturday, and then we could warm into the 60s on Sunday or Monday. A look at traffic. It's not looking too bad on the road.